big case of these ceramic tiles. So I am going to be doing some tiles today. I'm going to do a swipe across in blue, green, amethyst, and maybe even a little bit of gold and garnet. So I'm just going to kind of mix it up and see what that rainbow swipe will look like on these ceramic tiles. So stay with me. So I'm ready now. I have my paints mixed up with semigloss house paint and polyacrylic varnish. This is my emerald green. I also have garnet, amethyst, sapphire, and gold. Also going to use a cell activator that is 1 part white acrylic paint, 3 parts Floetrol. And I've also made up an additional cell activator that is my gold paint, gold acrylic paint, 1 part paint, 3 parts Floetrol. So let's get started. So my base for these is going to be a semigloss. I have mixed my semigloss with a little bit of water. I like my paints to flow. So I'm just putting down a base layer just to make sure it covers. And I'll just spread that out. All right, so I'm going to start with stripes of my colors. Actually, I'm going to do a darker color at the bottom, so let's go. And this is my gold cell activator. So as you can see, it's very runny. So we're going to put gold down, and then we're going to put some white. Let me lift some of this back up here. It's all coming off. All right, so gold. And then my white cell activator. And we're going to do these as a swipe. So I'm going to do one more cell activator line right at the end here. And we're going to start, just lay our plastic down in, swipe it over. That one's done. Trying not to get these stuck on the old neighboring tile. Alright, and you see I did a pullback on all of them. We'll see how that works. And we'll see if we can get some cells to come up. Interesting cell action. So as I looked at these a little further, I think I want to add a little bit of embellishments onto them. So maybe kind of a little seam where it transitions from one type of swipe to the other. And there, I think I like that better. So let's see how that turns out once they've set for a little bit. I think these swipes are turning out really wonderful rainbows. And some of them had some more cell action from the cell activator than others, but that's all right. I had a little bit of paint left over, so I dipped my last tile onto the cardboard or the board that was behind it. So I dipped this one onto the board behind it. That turned out beautiful. I still had some paint in my cups, so I did one last swipe, a center swipe diagonal. I think that one turned out to be the best. What do you think?